In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport key fob. This process is very simple. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things that you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries or you're not sure where to get one, go check out that link down in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. Now getting right into it, we just want to look on the bottom of the device. You can see right there is a slot in the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and just gently twist until you feel and hear the device crack open. And now we have access to the battery. We're just going to use the same tool to pry the battery out. We're going to do that by coming in this little opening in the corner there. So just take your flathead, insert it down, use the corner to go down and under the battery, and just pry it out gently. Just lift it up, and once it's starting to come out, just to avoid breaking these plastic tabs, it's better to just pull it out rather than keep prying it. So now you can dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and when you put it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and that text is facing up. And you want to slide it first under those two tabs and then click it in on the other side, and it will sit flat in there nice and securely. And then we can just put this all back together. So line it up, squeeze the two halves back together. There we go, snap it into place, make sure it is all closed up. And then if you want to verify that you did everything correctly and that your battery has juice in it, you can just click on one of these buttons and that light should turn on. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, as we love to hear your feedback. And you can also give us your feedback just by giving the video a like if you liked it. So if you ever need help with another key, remember this channel, because we have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.